Okay guys, I think you can see clearly that this was how my computer was made to be looking, in a sense that I have my what I call my window bar and thing here, and all of my icons are being down here, are being pinned down here. But then this morning I woke up and I saw my computer this way. I was asking myself, wow, what happened? Is it that my computer has virus or what? Is it that my computer, somebody touched it, or in fact, I don't really know. My computer is being disarranged. I can see I don't even know the entire let's say the photos are on the right side instead of being on the left side. But anyway, that's not a problem. To settle this problem, what you do is you try to go to the mouse, check for the mouse. Like you can see, I have my mouse. You check for the mouse. It's not really even going the right way. You see, it's not really going the right way, but you check for the mouse and then you right click, you will see this. Let me just come closer. Like you can see, you will have graphic options. Graphics options. To graphic option, just try to carry the mouse there, even though let's say my mouse, you see how it's being displayed. So try you carry the mouse there, and then here you will see that you have another let's say a drop down list of hotkeys, tray icon, all of those things. But try to carry the mouse to rotation, because it is the rotation that is causing the problem. You might have carried the rotation by just pressing some ordinary keys on your computer. You might have carried the rotation to somewhere to 180 degree or 270 degree, like that. But carry the rotation, try to carry the mouse. You see, I'm fighting on it. I'm fighting. Carry the rotation. You will see rotation. Okay, rotation. Now here to rotation, you can see clearly that my rotation is being placed to 180 degree. That's why my computer is being turned this way. So try to carry the rotation to 0 degree. You can see, okay, choose rotation 0. Thank God. As soon as you choose rotation 0, you see that my computer is set again. You can see I have my window icons. I can turn my mouse anywhere that I feel. So thank you guys. I hope you subscribe. You subscribe so that we can get more standard videos. I just did this just to encourage some of my guys, and thank you.